Hi there, welcome to another Islamic quiz episode. Today we will be quizzing on Ramadan. Let's begin. Ramadan begins during which month of the Islamic calendar? The 9th month of the Islamic lunar calendar. What is the meal called before the beginning of the fast? This meal is called suhoor. What is the meal for breaking the fast after sunset called? This meal is called iftar. What is the prayer that is prayed in congregation at the mosque during Ramadan called? This salah is called Tarawih. Ramadan stems from an Arabic word ramad, which means intense heat. What are the two joys of a fasting person? The joy of breaking the fast and the joy of meeting Allah. What do you do if you accidentally eat or drink while fasting? Continue your fast. It is a gift from Allah. What did the Prophet, peace be upon him, break his fast with? Water and dates. What is it called when a Muslim stays at the masjid for 3 or more nights? This is called itikaf. What was revealed to the Prophet, peace be upon him, in Ramadan? The Quran was revealed. What is the charity that must be given before the Eid Salah? Sadaqah al-Fitr, also called Zakah al-Fitr. The night of power is better than how many months? It is better than 1,000 months. What is the reward of a Muslim that sincerely fasts during Ramadan? All his or her sins will be forgiven. What is the name of the celebration that comes at the end of Ramadan? Eid al-Fitr is celebrated at the end of Ramadan. Thank you for watching. We hope that you benefited from this video. Leave a like and subscribe for future contents.